y'all, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, is about how I achieved these individual crochet goddess locks right here. This hairstyle was extremely hard for me to achieve. It was just really hard for me. I almost gave up. I was about to take it out after I finished it. I didn't like them, so I was about to take them out. I contemplated not even posting this video, but I figured once I added the accessories, I liked how it looked more. So I figured I'll go ahead and, post it and just share how I struggled through it and ended up with the end result. But it was definitely hard. So the hair that I used was the Zury Goddess Braid Loose Wave in the color 27 and 30. I used the 27 in the front and the 30 in the back. And I just ended up using these two different colors pretty much by accident because the beauty supply store didn't have enough 27s. They only had 3 packs and I figured that 3 packs would not be enough, which it wasn't. So I went ahead and got 2 packs of the 30 just to make sure I had enough to do my whole head. And I actually end up loving how these two colors look together. Like, it looks really bomb to me. I'm loving these two colors together, so I'm glad that I actually did end up getting the 2 colors. So yeah, it's the 26 inches, and let me just show you how long it is with me standing up because it is super long and I did have to cut it. Okay, so this is the hair in the front, comes all the way down here, and in the back it is like literally waist length, as you can see. And it was actually longer than that before I cut it because it was like way down there and I had to cut it up some. So yeah, that's the length of it. I'm actually 5'2", so of course 26 inches on me looks super long, but if you're taller, the 26 inches on you might not look this long. It'll probably be like normal length. But since I'm so short, yeah, they were almost touching the ground. Just kidding. But yeah, everybody who has mastered this hairstyle, who's able to even get the crochet needle and stick it up the lock and grab your real hair and pull it through that way, y'all are the real MVPs for real, because I could not get that crochet needle up this lock to my real hair and back down successfully at all. Like, could not do it to save my life. So y'all are the bomb.com. But I'm gonna stick to my wrapping method. Find the curly hair, the marley hair, wrapping it around myself because that's just easier for me. And then I'm able to wrap it and ensure I'm covering my hair like I want to if I do it with the marley hair and the curly hair separately, like I've been doing it. So I'm gonna stick to that method. But if you want to see how I went ahead and thugged it out and got this hair look right here, stay tuned and keep watching. I'm really hating about it is the fact that at my roots wrapping it, you can see my real hair through the roots, and it's super noticeable because I chose this blonde color and my roots are of course dark, so it's noticeable, and that's really bothering me. So if somebody out there can help me figure out how to wrap the roots appropriately so that you don't see this little slip here, please share with me in the comments because I'm struggling. Okay, but I'm gonna show y'all my struggle, how I'm doing this thing. I'm sticking my crochet needle through here, hooking or opening up my crochet hair, hooking it onto the needle, closing the latch, and then pulling it through. Then I'm opening up the hole here, taking the faux lock and my real hair and pulling it through. That's not the hard part. The crochet needle part itself and attaching the hair is not the hard part. The wrapping is the hard part. But now I'm just pulling it to tighten it to my roots. Like so. Now, on to the hard part. So I've been like, first I have to figure out which way the lock is twisting, and it's twisting that way, so I want to untwist it a little bit and grab my hair and see, no, that's wrong. Let's see if this is right. Untwist it and wrap around. See, look, I'm wrapping the wrong way. That's how you know it, that you're wrapping the wrong way, when it just comes loose like that. See, this is so hard. Oh gosh. Okay, I've been getting so discouraged doing this hairstyle. I was about to quit a good 5 times. So, that's what I have. A weird looking wrapped faux lock. I'm so sick of this hairstyle, y'all. Like, and now I'm just gonna try to do the same thing for this next one here.